Hello, students. Good morning, all of you. This is for your practical work. I'm going to tell you about your classification of map. That is the first chapter of your book, practical book. And in this chapter, we'll study about the different types of the maps. Like I have started. First one is according to scale. Second one is according to purpose or content. Mean to say there are different type of maps. Accordingly, you have to prepare one project file regarding that, and you have to draw different type of maps. You have to highlight the things. You have demonstrate the things with the help of map to know it more fantastically, more appropriate. First one I told you according to the scale, and second according to the purpose. And according to the scale, there are the maps that are classified into large scale map and small scale maps. And further, large scale maps are distributed into two type of categories, that is cadastral map and topographical maps. And exactly in the same way, small maps are categorized into wall map and atlas maps. If I go for its explanation, you have seen wall maps, whatsoever I always tries to show you in your videos, hanging maps, जो भी हमारा wall map होता है. And atlas you are studying since the beginning. With all your social science books, you have one atlas book also there, that we can say book of maps. Different type of maps are there in that type of book. Like I'm trying to show you, like this is the map. It contains different type of maps, like it is world map, right? Then it is Indian map, and with that India and world there are different type of maps. Like in this map I have tried to show the different dynasties, right? In this map I have tried to show the different type of crops. In the next map you may observe that there are different type of iron ore and things, right? I mean to say minerals. Then in that I have told you, started tried to show you different areas of copper, bauxite, right? And highlighted the different type of things. And next I am going to tell you about uh, population. Very important map, dot map it is called, right? It is called dot map. Where dots are more in number, it means there is more density of population. So in this way I'll show you, I'll teach you that different type of classification of the maps in your practical notebook. And next I'm going to tell you according to the purpose. There are physical map. Physical map, like just there is the outline of the maps, right? In that you see just physically the map is there. And I'm trying to show you, like this is the political map where geographical boundaries are there. It is political map. And where geographical boundaries are not there, like this is world map, but no geographical boundary for any other type of the country, right? That is called geography, mean to say physical map. One more you can see here, it is physical map of India. And when this map has different type of states, showing all the states in this way, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Haryana, Punjab, Gujarat, Rajasthan, these were the seven sisters also, right? Here like it is Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, then there is like that way Jammu and Kashmir. Here are the seven sisters are there. That type of map is known as our physical map, uh, without national boundaries, without state boundaries, that I showed you just like this, right? That is physical map. When it has geographical boundaries, it is political map. It may be either of world or it may be either of India. Then there is cultural map. Then there are the military use map. Such type of maps also I will show you, that military maps are there. These maps show the different type of directions to attack to invade the other countries of the world. Right? It has its mapping, sketch and scaling is there when they have to use these mapping for their invade areas, how they have to invade and different areas, one country to another country. Like nowadays China is invading India, no? So you may see there are different type of military maps are also there. That type of maps are used so to show where it is, right? Where it is, मीन टू से कहाँ से कहाँ तक इस कंट्री की बाउंड्री है, कहाँ से अटैक किया जा सकता है, उसके लिए मैपिंग और सर्वेइंग किया जाता है. तो आई कैन शो यू दैट स्मॉल पिक्चर फ्रॉम हियर ऑल्सो फॉर दैट, राइट? एरिया वाइज, लाइक इट इज़ वर्ल्ड मैप एंड एरिया वाइज दिस टोपोग्राफिकल मैप्स भी होते हैं. लाइक दिस इज द small map of the world shown in this way, and practically when I'll teach you regarding that also, right? So these are the some different type of classification of the map. When we talk about this classification of the maps, I told you there are different type of maps that are being used to show you this cultural, military, physical, कंटेंट, पर्पस. बहुत इसका डिटेल है कि लैंग्वेज मैप होता है, रिलीजियस मैप्स होते हैं दैट शो अस अबाउट द स्टेट वाइज different religions, shows us about the country wise, shows us about the continent wise. All these things we have to do in practical. It is just introduction regarding your map study, right? And based upon that you will get some questions like what is map, what is meaning by cadastral map, what do you mean by topographical map, and it's that what are the essentials of the map. Very very important question कि मैप बनाने के लिए हमें और क्या essential things चाहिए होती हैं, या what is the necessities of the map. For that essentials of the map I'm trying to show you regarding that, राइट? लाइक ये जो मैप है इसके लिए हमें क्या क्या चाहिए होता है. आपने देखा होगा मैप की एक साइड ये कुछ बॉक्सेस बने होते हैं, राइट? इसमें हमें इसकी ये लैटिट्यूडनल वैल्यूज़ दी हुई हैं, राइट? ये देखो लैटिट्यूडनल वैल्यूज़ दी हुई हैं. तो ये वैल्यू चाहिए होती है हमें इसको काउंट करने के लिए. लाइक हियर इट इज़ गिवन 24 डिग्री, हियर आल्सो 20 डिग्री, देन 20. These are, when we join these lines, these are the latitudinal values, and when we join these lines vertically from here to here, it is 84 and it's also 84, and accordingly we'll join these lines. It would be vertically linear essential of the maps. And when we talk about different type of essentials of the maps, that we'll study in detail also, but here I would like to tell you about one is scale. Very important that based upon scale we are categorize this map, small scale and large scale, right? Large scale maps and small scale maps, that is according to the scale. Then there is generalization, okay? Map generalization, then map projection, map projection, map generalization, and fourth one is, this is third, it is scale is first, and fourth one is very very important, map construction and map design. Map design, then map construction, right? These are the 5 major elements for the map, mean to say these are the 5 essentials to draw the map. Okay, thank you student. I have gave you your only this basic knowledge regarding your first chapter of the practical, and you have to do this in a practical book. In my next video, online this joint class, I will try to explain this in more detail, as you know, and you have to sit with your maps. Okay, bye students.